Hello everybody, welcome everybody to my YouTube channel Parvi Academy. I am Indrajit Parvi. Today I discuss a new topic, the start of coding in Java by Indrajit Parvi. Today we basically discuss the invention of Java, basic characteristics of Java, utility of Java, how Java used, basically these things. So now we discuss what is Java. What is Java? That means Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, and it was released in May 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystems. Later I discuss regarding the James Gosling and also Sun Microsystems in details. So we can say Sun Microsystem invent Java platform, introduce Java platform. The original and reference implementation of Java compiler, virtual machines and class libraries were the originally released by Sun under proprietary license. On May 2007, in compliance with the specifications of the Java community process, Sun Microsystems relicensed most of its Java technologies under the GPL 2.0 only license. Now I told about James Gosling. James Gosling is a Canadian computer scientist. He was a great scientist, and he was best known as the founder and lead designer behind the Java programming language. James Gosling OC is a Canadian computer scientist and best known as the founder and the lead designer behind the Java programming language. He was born in the year 1955 on 19th May. 1955 on 19th May. Where? In Canada. Where? In Canada. And there is a place known as Calgary, where James Gosling was born. Now I discuss about his education. James Gosling, he was a graduate and do his graduation from Mellon University in the year 1983. Nationally, he was an American and also a Canadian. What types of award he basically get? IEEE John von Neumann Medal was awarded to him. He was a ACM Fellow. He was a T-Shirtomu Kanai Award and also ACM Software System Award. These awards was awarded by James Gosling. He has two children and he was the one of the inventor of Java programming language. Now I go to the history of the Java. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Naughton initiated the Java language project when in June 1991. Java was originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced for the digital cable television industry at that time. The language was initially called Oak, after an oak tree that stood outside the Gosling's office. Later, the project went by the name Green and was finally renamed Java. This is the history of the Java, or the name, why the name Java is created or Java is given to that language. And in European country there is a popular coffee whose name is Java. From Java coffee, a type of coffee which basically comes from Indonesia, Gosling designed Java with a C or C++ style syntax that basically system and application programmers would find familiar on Java. Sun Microsystem released the first public implementation as Java 1.0 in the year 1996, and it promised write once, run anywhere, whose short form is ORA. It promised write once and run anywhere, whose short form is ORA. It's basically work on functionality, providing no-cost runtimes on popular platforms, fairly secure and featuring configurable security. It allowed network and also file access restrictions. Major web browsers soon incorporated the ability to run Java applets within web pages, and Java quickly became popular. And at that time, Java is a popular programming language. The Java 1.0 compiler was rewritten in Java by Arthur Van Hove to comply strictly with the Java 1.0 language specification. With the advent of Java 2, released initially as J2SE 1.2 in December 1988 to 1999, in the year between 1988 to 1999. New version had multiple as J2SE 1.2, and it has a multiple configurations built for different types of platforms. It's basically built for different types of platforms. J2EE included technologies and APIs for the enterprise applications typically run in server environment, while J2ME version was renamed J2SE in 2006, in the year 2006. For marketing purpose, Sun renamed new J2 Sun, mind it, Sun renamed new J2 version as Java EE and Java ME and Java AC respectively. Now I go to the topic, the most important features of the Java language. What are the most important features of Java language? Number one, it's very simple. So Java is very simple in writing. Writing on that language, it's very easy and it's very simple. It's a object based, so we can say object oriented programming language. It's portable. It's also a platform independent. That means we can run Java program on any platform. It's secure, it's robust, It's a architecture neutral, it's interpreted, and it's a high performance quality. It's also a multi-threaded programming language, distributed programming language, and also a dynamic programming language. Now I discuss what is a program. Before going to the Java coding, write down the Java coding, we must know what is a program. What is a program? A program, a program is a set of instructions. A program is a set of instructions that instructs the computer, to perform a task, and results in an output. So, in a single line, we can say a program is a set of instructions. A program is a set of instructions that instructs the computer to perform a task and results in an output. What is a programming? Programming is the process of translating the algorithm. Programming is the process of translating the algorithm and flowchart to a source code in the syntax of a programming language so that it can be executed by the computer. And a useful output can be obtained. Without an algorithm, there can be no program. Today, I wind up here. In next video, I go to discuss about what is flowchart and also what is algorithm. This is the basic of any programming language. If flowchart and algorithm and also logic is not clear to us, it's impossible to write down to thinking good programming on Java. So before go to the program, we must know about the flowchart and also algorithm in the next video. Hope everybody take care of yourself. All of you must be well. We meet again in my next video at 8 p.m. next day. I am Indrajit Parvi. All time for you. You must watch my video, like it, share it, subscribe it. Don't forget to click on bell icon to get the notification properly. Watch my channel, watch my video, stay with me just 8 p.m. every day at night to learn about many programming and also computer or technological related topic. See you again at 8 p.m. in Parvi Academy next day in next video.